Did you land your current gig because of LinkedIn? If you wouldn't be where you are right now because of LinkedIn, then you can add this exclusive badge to your profile. Here's how. In 2020, LinkedIn started rolling out a new feature on its platform that allows users to indicate when they got a job because of a LinkedIn connection. Haven't seen this badge before? Here's what it looks like when displayed on a profile. Seems rather straightforward, right? Well, that's because it actually is. To enable the badge, you must be adding a new position to your profile. This badge is not an option when editing a position that's already on your profile. Also, the badge is only an option for your current role. It will disappear if you add a new role that you didn't land because of LinkedIn. I reached out to LinkedIn support to ask them how you can add the LinkedIn Help Me Get This Job badge. They confirmed that when you add a new position, you should have the option to check the box and add this badge on your profile. It's completely optional. They also said that you could reach out if you need any help. There aren't any official help documents or references to this badge and the purposes of it. I don't really see how it could benefit you or increase your profile visibility. It's more so just a cool little badge that you can put on there to let others know your LinkedIn connections are awesome.